I bought this shirt, so now I can be in a cool video. Hi, I'm Mark Dubac. I'm a classically trained musician. I play clarinet, and well, I have a problem with wood. Yeah, I mill logs. I cut logs. I haul them, and they're everywhere now. So here's some wood right here. Some more wood. This wood fell. So here's some wood right there. Here's some more wood right here. All that scraps. All right. There's some more wood there. There's some wood there. That's some bigger wood right there. That one fell off of another piece of wood. Oh, let me move these chairs. There's some more wood. More wood. More wood. Yeah. This is how you keep water off of your wood. Right here. Okay, so this is the urban firewood pile, and well, this is the only stuff that is worth any actual money. Yeah. There's a nail right there. Okay, we also have some wood inside. Yeah, just a little bit. Hold on. And some wood up there, right there. And you gonna buy any of this?
I already have some.
Yeah, that was Stairway to Heaven. Okay, so now I'm going to start putting on all the safety gear. These are the chaps. All your personal protective equipment. Get all fogged up right here. The key is here. You gotta do that, and then you won't get fogged up. See? Okay. This is the hearing protection. What? What? So here we've got a Granberg Alaskan mill, and then this is a 60-inch cannon bar. It's got a ripping chain on there. This is a steel 880 chainsaw power head. You need all those cc's, so 125 cc's. Full choke. You engage the chain brake, is always a good idea. Oh, there we go. Oh, all right. So, Oregon black walnut. Come and get it.